ladies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back. Welcome back. Look at this hair, guys. Look at this hair. Now I'm gonna tell you, this hair ain't always been this way. Okay, this is a lace front wig. I have to put on my glasses so I can be able to see. And this right here is I ordered this wig from Amazon, and of course I did my little partings and everything. I have to do so much, y'all will see. So this is a Vanessa. Is this the Vanessa? Yes, this is the Vanessa. Let me make sure. Yes, this is the Vanessa Queen Synthetic Hair Wig product. Long wavy synthetic lace front wig. Heat resistance, and is in a length 22 inches. Now, I want to pull this up and hopefully that you ladies will be able to see that this right here is how the wig's supposed to have come. I'm sorry about my ring light, so this is how the wig's supposed to came. So, I ordered this wig and it was $41.88, and it was actually, when did I order this wig? Okay, April the 9th. So I am way overdue. I have a lot of wigs that I've just been putting on the back burner, y'all. I have been just putting them on the back burner for a lot of other things. But anyway, this is what it comes in. A standard bag. This is like the Charisma bags. And it comes with in a net, and it comes with these lashes right here with some rhinestones on the side, and it comes, of course, in the little whatchamacallit thingy. You know the little thingy they put, the little cardboard thing, and then the netting around it. Now, I'm looking up the density of this hair because this hair, okay, here it is 180 density. The hair weight is 250 to 350 grams. Let me tell you, it's like 500. It felt like 500 grams of hair in this head. And I will show you in a clip where you will see me trying to work this hair out to get it to where it's at now. Now this hair, as you can see, it comes in wavy, long wavy, but I wanted something straight, so I was like, you know what, it's so big and so heavy, and it tangled so much when it was in that state of being wavy that I said, you know what, let me try, because one of my subscribers, well actually a couple of you guys, you said that maybe if I straighten the hair out, then maybe we could see if that it would work better for you. So I said, let me try it. So J Baby tried it and it did work better, so thank you so much. Now, after I thin this hair out, this is what I got from it. We talking about the thinning as well as, and this is bigger than my head, y'all. Look at this. At the thinning as well as taking out, you know, plucking the edges. Now, I still have it up. I didn't really put it down right here, but you can see where I plucked it. I only put this down because I'm only wearing it there, and I didn't even do this side either because I just wanted to wear it down. Now, this is a lot of hair. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. This is like another wig that can be made out of this. Why would they put this much hair in this, y'all? So anyway, this is the hair. This is the texture of the hair and everything. Let me tell you, I love this hair. I had this hair on all day long, and as you can see, my makeup, I did a makeup tutorial earlier on the It's My Ray Ray versus BH Cosmetic collaboration, and it was so hot that my makeup was melting while I was trying to even get it together because I couldn't turn on the air because of the fact that it would, the way my camera is set up, it would have made so much noise. So I am like, if you look at my video, you'll see that I am actually losing my makeup here. So, and then I had to keep patting it, and my makeup was coming off, so I kept on putting the rose water on it, and next thing you know, I get these blotches here. So pay that no attention. Okay, so this hair right now is really nice and soft. It mimics virgin hair to me now. But at first, it was so hard to get through this hair. I mean, I had a horrible time. But this hair is from Vanessa Queen. It is 22 inches, and I'm repeating it again for those who have not heard me or will go back and say, well, how much? For $41.88 on Amazon Prime. This hair got to me within a day. Now, Prime, I know Amazon have it now, though it's going to take 2 days, sometimes 3 days now for you to be able to get this hair, but At first when I pulled this wig out the bag, I'm like, oh hell to the no. This wig is not going to work for me. It was so big. And y'all will see some of it. I'm going to show you a whole lot of it. I don't want to be long. But I want you to know that once you do all that to this wig is perfect. As far as the shedding and everything, it doesn't shed like it. Look at this. I can just basically pull this through here. And this is like really nice. Do you see this? Now it's nice. But at first, honey, let me tell you, and of course it's synthetic hair, so you know it's going to get a little something, but right now it's very manageable. And I have had this wig on all morning long. We talking about from about 8:30 something until now, and it is approximately 4:46. So I've had this on all day long, even out in the heat, and I'm going to tell you, this hair is, well, look at it. You see me. You see it? It is beautiful, y'all. You know, they had some parting spaces, you know, that you could be able to part it, you know, a couple of places that you want to, but I wanted something on the side. I wanted it to be just down. But it comes with a comb here. Let's make sure. Yeah, a comb here, and one in the back with elastic band, and it's nice. Now, the only part I don't like about it, was a lot of things I don't like about it, but the ends, once you straighten it out with the flat iron, this is what your ends are going to be like. They're not going to be like all feathered, you know, so you're going to have to like shear it down to feather it a little bit if that's what you like. But I pretty much just, after I just went on and combed it out, thinned it out, I just left it the way, flat iron, I left the way that it is. I can't even talk today. But what I didn't like is the bigness. What I didn't like was the tangling. You know, and I thought, oh my goodness, I just spent my coins. And the lace comes from ear to ear. You see the lace? All the way. And actually, the lace is all the way back here, y'all. All the way back there. I just didn't do any cutting of that because I just wanted to wear it straight down. I'm not ready to wear it up. But once I do, I will do that. But, what else I say? It's the tangling that it had really bad. I couldn't even get through it. So, overall, what I do like about it is that it's very manageable now. It looks really nice. It's not heavy now. I'm gonna tell you, this really is a good wig once you shave it down, thin it out, and all those other things. This wig is like really nice, really nice and really comfortable now. It's not to the point of where it's giving me any problems. It's not tangling on me. It's not doing anything. So I would recommend that you go ahead on, if you get it, if you want to wear the waves, you probably can wear it maybe 1 or 2 days, but the little wavy hair. But I don't get you combing because it's gonna be a mess. So if you do decide to get this wig, just straighten it out because that's your best bet. So I don't have much to say about it, and I'm not going to be on here long because I have other parts of the video that I need to show you, so that way you'll be able to see, or either I'm showing it now, either right here or somewhere along the way. But ladies, this wig is nice. I'm telling you, it is nice. So I'm going to go ahead on and turn around so you can see this. And I know that you really kind of can't see it all that good, but it's a really nice wig. Really nice, really swingy, really nice. So get your hands on this wig if you want to, but I'm telling you, don't come back and say, oh Jay baby, you didn't tell me that it was so huge, it's like 500 pounds, and you didn't tell me that this wig tangles on you so bad, because I am telling you, this wig tangles bad when it's wavy. But once you straighten it out, and I didn't put any product on it, once you straighten it out, you are good to go. Okay, so ladies, you know how I always say, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. If there's anything else that I forgot, please leave it down in the comment section and I will be sure to answer you, ladies. You know I will. Also, any questions, I think I put how much I paid for it, all of that. I think I put everything. You know, if it's something else, just ask me and I will make sure to answer you. Okay, be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Mwah.